at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a used 2018 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. Really well taken care of motorcycle. The color on this one is Bonneville Salt. It has the heel toe shifter, locking saddlebags. It has a thunder header exhaust. Also has the T-bars, aftermarket grips, and wind deflectors. Miles are low. We are at 4,032. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.